Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create invoices on Guru. Here's a detailed guide on how to create invoices on Guru. The first thing you need to do is to open your browser and navigate to www.guru.com. Click on the login in the top right corner of the website and enter your account credentials to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Jobs section, which is in the navigation menu or in the main menu here. So click on Jobs. So once you click on Jobs, it's going to display a list of your active projects and job postings. Now, in your job listings, locate a specific job for which you want to create an invoice. Click on the job title to open the details page. I don't have a job here, so that's out of it. Now, once you click on the job title and get to the job details page, look for a section labeled Invoices or Create Invoice. Click on this section to proceed to the invoice creation interface. In the Invoices section, click the Create Invoice button. This option is usually located at the top of the invoice list or prominently displayed. Then you need to fill out the invoice details, client information. Ensure the client's information is correct. This may be auto-filled from the job details. 2. Invoice number. Enter a unique invoice number if required, and this can be auto-generated. Then invoice date. Enter the date of the invoice, then due date. Set a due date for the payment. Description. Provide a clear description of the services rendered, include details such as hours worked, project milestones, or specific tasks completed. Then amount. Enter the total amount due. Ensure this aligns with your agreed upon rate with the client. And then additional charges. If applicable, add any taxes, fees, or additional charges. Now, after entering all the required information, review the invoice for accuracy. Check the client's details, amount, and descriptions to ensure everything is correct. If you need to provide supporting documents, that's if necessary, like timesheets or project files, look for an option to attach files to the invoice. Click on the Attach Files button and select the relevant files from your device. If you don't find it, then that's it. And after reviewing, you can either save the invoice as a draft or send later, or click on the Send button to email the invoice directly to the client. If sending, confirm the recipient's email address before finalizing the action. There's another way to send an invoice aside from clicking on the job section. You can head over to Payment, the Payment tab, and from the Payment tab, you're going to see Invoices. So click on Create Invoice and just follow through with the on-screen prompt to create your invoice. Now, there is no job, so just follow the steps and that's just going to be it. Okay, so after sending the invoice, just go ahead and return to the invoices section to check the status. It could be sent, paid, or pending. You may also track payments and follow up with clients if necessary. So go about the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.